Hi, this is Amy. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to my videos. I appreciate it. Before you leave, if you would make sure that you subscribe and hit the like button and share this video, I would appreciate it. All right, so today what we're going to be doing is working on the healing of our chakra system. I don't know how many of you are familiar with this, but I'll be honest with you, the more I've learned about it, the more important I realize that it actually is. So we're going to begin, and I'm going to incorporate my singing bowls into each chakra that we're going to go through. So to begin, we're going to start with the root chakra, and this is like towards the base of your tailbone. And if you're trying to heal this system or this area, which is your root chakra, you should wear red in order to try to heal it, because that's the color that corresponds with that chakra. And this also helps attract the opposite sex. Now, if you're wondering, well, how do I tell the physical signs of imbalances here? With your root chakra, you're going to find yourself being clumsy, having sleep issues, poor circulation, reproductive problems, and maybe even issues with your metabolism. The note C corresponds with this chakra. Next, we're going to move on to the sacral chakra, which is right above the root. It's about 2 to 3 inches below the belly button. And if you want to heal this part of your chakra system, try wearing orange, which is the color that correlates with this chakra. And this helps also to attract good ideas. Now, if you're wondering how to figure out if there's any imbalances in this area, do you have any lower back pain, possibly infertility or PMS issues, digestive problems, lack of energy, maybe even kidney and gallbladder problems? This could be an issue. Now, the musical note D is what's correlated to this chakra. Sit back and relax while I'm doing the videos and going through the sound bowls. to the solar plexus, which is about 2 to 3 inches above your belly button in the center of your abdomen. And the color associated with this chakra is yellow. To heal your solar plexus and attract motivation, wear the color yellow. And in this area, you may notice indigestion, panic attacks, liver problems, frequent illnesses, and high blood pressure. These are all signs of possible blockages or imbalances in this area. The note associated with the solar plexus is the note E. Moving on up, we're going to get into the heart chakra area, which is in the center of your chest, kind of in the general area of your heart. If you want to try to heal this area, if your heart is feeling blocked, wear the color green, and this will help attract love. Now in the heart chakra, if you're feeling chronic fatigue, upper back pain, heart-related issues, anxiety or depression, or respiratory ailments, this could also be a sign that you're experiencing imbalances or blockages in this area. All right, and the letter that is associated, or the note that's associated with the heart, is the note F. Next up, we're going further up to the throat area. This is where your throat chakra is, and where you express yourself and attract communication. So wear blue in this area because the color blue is associated with this chakra. If you're trying to figure out the signs of imbalances in this area, you could have throat problems, maybe you have a sore throat, neck stiffness, cold symptoms, thyroid imbalances, and maybe even issues with your breathing. The note that's associated with this chakra is the letter G. to the third eye, which is centered in the middle of your forehead. And this is your third eye chakra. Color for the purpose of this video associated to this is going to be purple. And the reason I say that is with the third eye and the crown chakra, there's some use different colors, whether it's white, purple, gold, whatnot. But for this video, we're using purple. The third eye attracts honor and vision. And to tell if maybe you have some blockages in this area, are you experiencing any ear and eye issues, balance issues, sleep paralysis, learning disabilities, or hormone dysfunctions? And these are just some. This is, just to get you learning about the chakra system and the importance of it. So, think about that. Are you experiencing any of these? And the musical note connected to this is the letter A. We're going to talk about today is the crown chakra. Wear white if you want to help to heal this area, attract miracles from the universe. Also, to figure out if maybe you have some imbalances in this area. Do you have any dizziness, vision issues, cognitive issues, memory problems, maybe nervous system imbalances? Check it out. The crown chakra music note that associates with it is the letter B. Singing bowl that I'm going to use is adding the 528 hertz singing bowl, and this helps with your DNA. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and make any comments you want down below. And I hope to see you at my next video. Thanks so much and have a great day.